got some daiquiris. I hide from everybody, so it makes it look like I'm trying to conceal my identity so no one knows who I am. It's 11:30 at night right now. We're headed to the airport to get to Houston. From Houston, we're gonna head to the Bahamas. We're going to the Bahamas. There's me, yo, what's up? We're in the Bahamas. We're in Nassau. I believe that's how you pronounce it. The view is pretty impeccable. You got the whole ocean out there just to see and immerse yourself in it. It's a flawless view. This is if you want to share some very special party time with a very close friend of yours. Hey boy, how's it doing? Oh, good, man, good. How about you? Potty 1, potty 2. So if you want to have a conversation with someone. What's up, man? How you doing?
Dude, I'm doing excellent. Yeah, I'm just taking a shit. What are you doing?
I'm doing good, yeah.
Oh, good, yeah.
Just letting it out.
Taking a shit too.
Oh, yeah.
What?
Yeah. Fucking
Just letting out all that airplane food.
yeah. Alright, well, you take care. I gotta clean up now, alright? You have a good one. We're swimming inside of an aquarium right behind us. Interesting. It's just the small details, you know, that are wonderful about this resort. You know, besides the pool, the view, the whole being in the Bahamas, you're basically in paradise. This is paradise. Look at where I'm walking. This is a building inside of paradise. It's the little things in here, the elevator, the way it's lit, the way it looks like an ocean, an aquarium. All of this is what causes you to appreciate where you're at, what you're doing in this moment in time. Good luck.
Just what was wrong with me? Oh, till your kids help me name it. Now I'm no longer doubtful of what I'm living for. And if you make
Welcome to my home for the current time being. I am at the resort, the Sandals, as you can see from up there. Sandals. And basically I'm doing whatever I desire to do. Do whatever feels right, you know? If it feels right, I do that. If I see something that I like, I go for it because there's no reason not to go for it. Hanging out.